Yes, good evening. Hello. Okay. Good evening, Atul. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, Priyanka, good evening. Most of the viewer are still to join, so just we have to wait more time. Yeah, my voice is clear to all. Yes, please check. And yeah. Okay, thank you, Atul. Thank you. Okay. Hi, Bablu. What is the problem exactly? It's not visible. Or blur, I think. Huh? Yes, yes. I will zoom it out. Yes. Just wait for some time. Just I think most of the viewers will to join. Yes, okay. Yeah. Yes, Ashish, good evening. Yes. हॅलो. कुठे जायचं त्यासाठी? हां. तेच कांतीला सर बाहेर आहे. प्लीज थोडं हेल्प करायला पाहिजे. अच्छा, तुम्ही एक मिनिट, मला ना कळत नाही ॲक्च्युली. मी इथे हे फुल स्क्रीन करून येते. नाही, थांबा एक मिनिट. मला ना आता पुन्हा हा प्रॉब्लेम होईल. एक सेकंड, मी चेक. सुरू सुरू आहे, सुरू आहे. म्हणजे आता सुरू होणार. हम्म. हां, तर मी एकदा चेक करते. Actually, तुम्ही माझं लाईव्ह बघताय का थोडं? थोडं- हम्म. तर हे मग ओके ओके, मी बघते काय करू. नाहीतर मी कॉल करेन 2 मिनिटांनी. हे मिनिमाइज करू का सगळं? विंडो एक सेकंड. पुढे कीबोर्डवर का? नाही नाही नाही, एक मिनिट. थांबा एक मिनिट. हे मी फुल स्क्रीन केलंय ना. हम्म. हा, मी आले डेस्कटॉपवर. आता सांगा. हम्म. हां, विंडोजवर. हां हां हां, राईट. हां हां, केलं 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 केलं. हां हां. डिस्प्ले ओपन पेस्ट मॅनेज वन ड्राईव्ह. हां, डिस्प्ले सेटिंग. हां, केलं केलं. हां, ओपन झालं. रिज नाही नाही, 19201080 आहे. मॅक्सिमम रिझोल्युशन आहे माझ्या ह्याच्यात. हम्म. ठीक आहे, मी एकदा बघते या मुलांना चेक करून. बघा, है ना? हम्म. हां, चालेल. हम्म. हां हां, नाही, ओके, थँक्यू थँक्यू. Yes, hello, good evening.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, I'm audible. Yeah.
Okay. Please check once
Hello.
and just message me in a
Yes, I'm
chat like
audible.
my screen is clear and my voice is clear. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Please check once
Hello.
and just message me in a
Yes, I'm
chat like
audible.
my screen is clear and my voice is clear. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Please check once
Hello.
and just message me in a
Yes, I'm
chat like
audible.
my screen is clear and my voice is clear. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Please check once
Hello.
and just message me in a
Yes, I'm
chat like
audible.
my screen is clear and my voice is clear. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Please check once
Hello.
and just message me in a
Yes, I'm
chat like
audible.
my screen is clear and my voice is clear. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Please check once
Hello.
and just message me in a
Yes, I'm
chat like
audible.
my screen is clear and my voice is clear. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Please check once
Hello.
and just message me in a
Yes, I'm
chat like
audible.
my screen is clear and my voice is clear. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, we just start with the. Okay, fine.
Okay. Please
Okay.
check
There is a
once
network.
and
Oh.
just message me in a
Yes, I'm
chat like
audible.
my screen is clear and my voice is clear. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, we just start with the. Okay, fine.
Okay. Please
Okay. There
check
is a
once
network.
and
Oh.
just message me in a
Yes, I'm
chat like
audible.
my screen is clear and my voice is clear. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Yes, we just start with the. Okay, fine.
Okay. Please
Okay. There
check
is a
once
network.
and
Oh.
just message me in a
Yes, I'm
chat like
audible.
my screen is clear and my voice is clear. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Yes, we just start with the. Okay, fine. Okay.
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 Please
Yeah.
check
There is a
once
network.
and
Oh. Now it is okay.
just
I think.
message me in
And
a
yes, I'm
chat like
audible.
my
Session
screen
now.
is clear and my voice is clear. Yeah.
Please confirm once again. If it is okay, I will just start with the session.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, we just start with the. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Please
Yeah.
check
There is a
once
network.
and
Oh. Now it is
just
okay. I think.
This is me.
And
Yes,
I
I'm
would like
audible.
start the
Motion
session now.
is clear and my voice is clear.
Yeah,
Yeah.
please confirm once again. If it is okay, I will just start with the session. Okay, yes, we just start with the IFRAME. Okay, okay. Yeah,
Please
check
check
once
once
and
and
now it is okay. I think.
this is me.
And
Yes,
I
I'm
would like
audible.
start the
Motion
session now.
is clear and my voice is clear.
Yeah, please
Yeah.
confirm once again. If it is okay, I will just start with the session. Okay, yes, we just start with the IFRAME. Okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah. Now please check. I think it's a yes. Yeah. How it is now? I just mute that one and yeah. Just repeating again and again. Restart crew, ma'am. All okay. Yes. Perfect. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Atul, Nikhil, Shrikant. Yes. Okay. And yeah. So okay. Yeah. Good evening, all. Hello. Welcome to the Scodeen Global. And we just start with our session. It's the iframe automation. Yes. Yes. So iframe automation with Selenium Python. Okay. So yeah, I hope all of you are doing well. Yeah, Sajda, still my voice is repeating. Okay. Okay, so welcome to Scodeen Global and just start with that. Okay, so today's topic of discussion is like iframe, and if all of you are aware about the Selenium automation, yes. So nowadays, the in most of the company, they use the Selenium automation. Why it is popular? Why it is so popular right now? So just check out what is the exact reason behind this. So this is the okay. So we before switch to the main topic of your iframe, just you have to go with the Selenium brief idea how the Selenium is the most popular tool in market. Okay. Okay. So yes, but the exact reason behind this that because Selenium is an open source. First of all, the point is that the Selenium is an open source, and the Selenium is yes. Okay, now okay. So Selenium is an open source, and the Selenium is supposed to the different types of operating system, different OS. Like it may be a Windows, it may be a Firefox, it may be a Edge. So it can support to multiple operating systems. And this also support the various language, not restricted to the one of only language. It can support various languages like Java, Python, PHP, .NET, C sharps. So if anyone aware about the particular language, he can use the Selenium. So this is the most the popular automation tools we use because of this reason. Okay, and there are some multiple advantages also. Yeah, so you can see like see, there are some advantages of the Selenium. Open source, it's then easy to implementation, user actions, language support, the browser support, OS supports, code reusability. Then yeah, and having some drawback, but it's, by overcoming the drawback, it's the most popular tool in market. Okay, so just if you are aware about what is an SDLC actually, yes, what is an SDLC? Yes, it's a software development life cycle. Okay, so for the software development life cycle, what is the product is the software, and to check the quality of the software, what is the integrated part is like the software testing. Okay, and for that software testing, the automation tool is used is the Selenium. So why we use automation tools? Because what happens, the most of the time the tasks are repeated. Like if you are doing the repetitive task multiple times, then instead of doing this one by one, you can use the automation tools. So that the it obviously it reduce the time also, and also the it can minimize to use the resources also. Okay, so that's why the Selenium is most popular tool in automation. And yes, yes, I hope everything is good till yes. So first, before switching to the main topic of the Selenium iframe, we must see the this briefly about what is an Selenium, and different types of Selenium components are there. It's the Selenium ID, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. Okay, so Selenium ID means what? The integrated development environment. Selenium RC is on server, this is a remote control, and this is a WebDriver, and this is a Selenium Grid. Okay, so we just use the Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver is popularly used, and we just go with the WebDriver. Selenium RC is now it's with the Selenium before Selenium 2 it's used with the Selenium RC, but now in the latest version Selenium 4 it now use Selenium RC, so we use the Selenium WebDriver. Selenium Grid is like, because if you want do the testing parallelly simultaneously, if you want to do the testing, the Selenium Grid is the most popular tool for that, because it reduces the time and the resources also. So but we go with the Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so as I told you, these are the Selenium applications. Means it's a open source, it's a web based automation testing, it's a multiple OS support, multiple browser supports, it's a multiple language supports, and multiple framework also. Okay, and this is the like the these are the some. Okay, so yeah, so first of all we just see what is the Selenium locators exactly, because while we go with the iframe, so for that if you have the knowledge about the locators, you can able to find out the web page element. So because if we automate the web page, okay, if we automate the web page, whatever in the uh, your web page, that is called as a web element. Okay, so if you want to automate that web elements, you have to know about the locators. Okay, so there are different types of locators are used, like this. We can use the locators like ID, name, CSS selectors, class name, link text, and XPath. XPath it having so relative and absolute XPath also. Link text is having the partial link text also. So and it other than that, we can use XPath in different way, like we use with the and or and the start speed. So different types. We go with the details in the coming session, but these are some the briefly idea I have to give about the locators. So these are some locators which are used in the Selenium. Okay, so next, why we use the WebDriver mostly in Selenium, because they are having some. Yes, I have to show you. Yes. Okay. Okay. So everything is good till this. Yeah. Anyone? Yes. Okay. Not an issue. Please comment in chat box, please. Is anyone? Please. Yes, I'm audible to all. Please check the yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you, Shrikant. Yeah. Yes. Whatever I show you in PPT. Yes. I will explain about the CSS selector and XPath. Definitely, it is a very detailed topic. But now, yeah, we will have to focus on the iframe. So we go with the iframe. Definitely, in the coming session, we just go with the CSS and the different types of locators are there. Yes, of course, Shekhar, I will. Yes, okay. Okay. So, okay. So see here, yeah. What is a WebDriver actually? WebDriver is a module. Okay, in Selenium package, WebDriver is a module. So, what is the main functions of the WebDriver? Is like, see, if we know about the API, what the API function is like an waiter. Okay, so wait. API is an wait. So let's see. This is your front end. Okay, and this is your backend, that is okay. So this is your let's say the GUI, or you can say the UI, user interface, and this is your database. Okay, and front end means what? If you go, if yes, all of you aware about the online shopping. That time we use Amazon or the multiple there are shopping websites are there. So if you consider at Amazon, if you want to purchase anything, like if you want to purchase a mobile, and you just write in search box that the mobile, So what will happen? That yes, you are a user and you just type in your front end application that you whatever you want, okay, and that is the whatever you type here in the front end application, that request is then go to the back end, okay. So how it is, it just, and this is your request, okay, this is your request. Here is also a request, okay. So this request from front end to back end is going through a mediator. That is the mediator is known as the API. Okay. What is an API exactly? It's application programming interface. Means what happen? Whatever the request from the front end, it get forward to the back end by using there's an API. So that is a mediator to in between the front end and the back end. That's why it is called as a waiter. Waiter, what is the what do the waiter in a restaurant? It takes the request from the customer and whatever he wants, that then forward that request to the particular department like the kitchen, and whatever the response from their department, it then that response it then feedback to the user, that is customer, okay. So these what are the status from the backend, that then again get returned to the customer. So the API works like the how waiter. This is a response, okay. So your API is works like an waiter or the mediator in between the front end and the back end. So same like the web driver is doing. What? Same. He is one of the he is a waiter in between the your whatever you write the code in PyCharm or any application you are using like. So here, if you these are the your uh, yeah, this is your okay. This is your what are the code written here in okay, and here it is what is here exactly? It is the web page, or we can say that it is a AUT, that means application under test. Yes, application under test. Whatever the web page or what is the application you want to automate, that is the application under test. And in between this, we use the web driver. So WebDriver is an API, same like the API used in the front end and back end. It gives a response and it takes the request from the code, whatever the code written, it saying the request in the HTTP format, and then that forward to the web page application, and then automate the web page, and it then response of the status, then feedback to the code. Okay, so this is the main architecture of the web driver. We just like the same in the API. So the web your web driver is an API, it's application programming interface. Okay, so web driver is an module also because it contains the various class methods. So web driver is also a modules in Selenium package. Okay, that's why we use the web driver and it's mostly popular in Selenium automation. Okay, so yes. So now this is the basic details about the selenium, and so we now we're going to switch to our the main topic of discussion, that is the iframe. So yeah, Okay. So what is the basic requirement for the Selenium? Okay, just I want to tell you about the basic requirements about the Selenium installation. Like you have to the Python, you have the PyCharm, okay, and just you can do the Selenium whatever you want, create the project and do with the Selenium application. So just here go to the file, okay, and just go to the setting there. Okay, in that whatever the project you are create here. Okay, once again, first requirement is Python installation, second is your PyCharm. So go to PyCharm and create the new project here. So new and so one file, new project, okay. Here write the whatever you want the name for your project and then create. Okay, after creating the project you just go with file, then setting, okay, and in that you check that here is your project name and these are the Python interpreters. Actually, see in that the packages that the Selenium is already are there. If the Selenium is not there, just click on the plus sign and you just type your the Selenium, okay, and you can install that Selenium package. Got it? How to install the Selenium? I just briefly just tell you about how to install the Selenium. Okay, but yeah, I will discuss in more details in coming sessions. Okay, yeah, okay. So what is the basic requirement is like it's a Python and PyCharm, and inside that you can able to install the Selenium easily. Okay, and you can install Selenium in two ways, like by just go to the file, okay, setting, and just plus click on plus sign and just add here write Selenium. Okay, yes. Okay, so now just install package, but already my requirement satisfied, that's why I doesn't want to install the Selenium. Okay, so and another way, like go to the terminal. Yes, go to the terminal, command prompt, and just write here pip install Selenium. Okay, so all packages related, yeah, but see here the requirements already satisfied, so there is no need of the uh, to download the Selenium here. Okay, yeah. So in this way you can install the Selenium here. Now how to deal with the iframe this in Selenium. So I just create here the project, and inside that if you want to create, yeah, just to create new and go to the directly, I want to create new folder here. So yeah, it's a name. Okay, and inside that I just create one of the Python file. Yeah, so it's a frame. Okay, so this is your Python file. Okay, so now before start with the installing all the requirement, yes, yes, everything is going good till this. Okay. So the basic requirement for the installation is the Python PyCharm. Okay, and if you have PyCharm, then just go to the project and this I'll show you once again. Yeah. So here, if you create a new project, go to this file, new project, clear the first new project, and then go to the setting. Okay, and just this is your project name. Check the Python interpreter here. So just write here the Selenium. Okay, and you just click on the install package. Okay, but already I have satisfied this requirement. I don't have this. Okay, so yes, this is the just simple process to install the Selenium in your PyCharm. Okay, so now I just create here Python file. Yes. So very slow, I think. Yeah. So now, if you want to automate the web page, so here I write here. Okay. See here, this is the URL, and just copy this URL. We are just going to automate this web page. Okay, this is one of the application here. The see here, and just I will. What is the task? What is the task here? First, I go to this application. Then I will go to the frames here. Okay, click on the frames, and then click on the iframes. Okay, so this page will open. Okay, this page will open, and inside that, this see here, I want here to clear this and write anything else here. But what is happening if we write here, going to write here, just I will show you practically. This is your application. We have to automate by using Selenium. Yes. So yeah. So before that, I told you the WebDriver is a module in your Selenium package. So from Selenium, whatever the package you install from Selenium, what you have to import? Import WebDriver. Okay. Then next requirement you want, like you want to work with the Chrome browser. So for that, from Selenium dot WebDriver, and this is a module, and inside we have some classes like the Chrome. So Chrome dot service. Okay, import service. This is the requirement. This is the package Selenium, and from the package we just import the WebDriver module. And here we to work with the Chrome browser. That's why I just import the from Selenium package, import module, and this is the class for the service. Okay, and just I want again the buy from Selenium dot WebDriver dot common. Okay, and from that I have to import the buy. Okay, so if you want to find the locators also, you have to different types of locator. That's why you will need the buy. and I want some module like import time. Okay, these are some basic requirement. After that, what you have to do, you have to give the second requirement for this Selenium automation is whatever you the browser selected. This I selected here Chrome browser. So you have to download the executable file for the Chrome driver, and that I just already downloaded, and I will have to give the path for that. So just write here service, and then I have to copy the path of the driver that I just downloaded that. So my C drive, and this is the driver, and here I just show you this is the executable file in my driver. So I just copy the path here and just paste here. Okay, and note the file name exactly is the file. This is the path, and just create an object here. Okay, it's the object. Okay. Now in this way, you just give the path of the driver, which are just you are downloaded the Chrome driver. So this is the object. Okay. Next step is how to create the instance for the web driver. So for that, you just write a web driver, then dot Chrome. Okay, and you have to give the service object here. This is some initialization you have to do service object. Okay. Yeah. So we just have to create the driver instance here that will going to use multiple times. Okay, these are the two just the two line code we have to have for the automation. And this is the initialization of the Chrome driver and the driver instance. Okay, now we have to copy the URL from this. Yeah, this is the URL which the application under test actually. So go here. Yeah. So driver. Okay. Dot. Okay. These are so the gate. Okay. Multiple. Um, yes. The gate window has size, window position, and just multiple operations we do with the drivers. So driver dot gate, and what you want to just paste the URL name here. Control V. Okay. This is the URL. You have to automate this web page. Okay. For that, and what you want just driver dot driver dot maximize. If you want to maximize the window, just maximize. And if you want some this title for the your web page, so here title here, you have to print that title. So that's why just I write here inside the bracket and print. Okay. And next is if you want URL also, so you can print a URL also. So same, we use the driver instance and just write here what you want, the current URL. Okay, just enter here. So this is also, okay. And just write here driver dot. I will just going to close my web browser. Okay. So this is the, and just I have to yeah, just run frame one. So the now your browser is going to, yeah, in Chrome browser your web application is going to open now. So Internet Hero app. So here Chrome is being under control by automated test software. So your browser is opening here, and yeah, it's very fast because yeah, so I have to do some time sleep. so just it can wait for some while. Yeah, so just I give time dot sleep. I just give the 3 seconds. Now you can see this is opening your browser application in the Chrome browser. Okay, see, this is your, and these are the title, and these are URL for your application. Yes. Okay, I hope it's somewhat clear to all. Yes, please. Yes, hello. Yeah, till now it's clear. It's going fine now. Yeah. Yeah. Anyone? Anyone? Please comment on chat box. Yes. Yes, it's clear to all. Yeah, whatever I just going to teach you. Yes, someone present. Okay. So, okay, thank you, Shrikant. Yes. Okay, so in this way, we just automate our web page. Okay. Now, in this web application, what are the what there are iframes are there. Okay. So first I will check the number of iframes are there. So, so for that, this is your application, and here if you want to just inspect this, yeah. So see here, these are the iframes here. Okay, inside that iframe, this content is your content goes. This text is here, and I want to. My task is to replace this content and write something else because I have to automate this iframe. For that, what is my first task? My first task is like first I will I have want that what number of iframes in my application. For that I can write the driver dot find element. Okay, so I want to find out what are the number, how many iframes are there. So what I write here, find element. But here number of iframes are there. Then I will just write your elements. Okay, if number of items are there, just you have to use find elements. If one element is there, then only use element. Okay, then by dot tag name. Tag name. Okay, I here find element by tag name. If their iframe are present in here, just it will count that iframe. And I want the number of how many iframes are there. So I just get object here, frame variable here, and just find print length of your frames. Okay, so write here total number of iframes. Yeah, it gives the number of iframes present here. This one. So it's going to print the what are the number of iframes present in your application. So let's just automate this and okay. Yeah, your application is going to one and yes. What is the did you mean frame? Name frames is not okay. Yeah. Here actually I write frames and here I create variable as a frame. That's right, sir. Yeah. See here only one iframe here. Yeah. Yes. Yes. If you want to see more for this, I can just create a one of more file, Python file, and I will show you once one more application under test. Frame 2. This I'm going to create new file, Python file. Yes. So I will show you one of more example for this iframe by using this same. Okay. So I write here another application like your known application as going under test. Yeah, Scodeen dot. Yeah, this is your known application and yes, because I just want to show you how we can find the number of frames present on your web application. So here I just same code here and but the application is yours coding and inside that these are the you have to find out with the tag name, so not need to change your code here only. Just go to Now your new application is going to open. This is Scodeen. Okay, yes. Sorry, spelling mistake. It's my mistake. Yes, okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah. This is your application, Scodeen application, and it going to collect its URL, its title, and the number of frames are present in your applications. So see what is the result exactly. It's taking too much time for your opening. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Now your application is open and see what it's going to collect here. Yeah, see here, it's show the title of your application, Scodeen.in Online Education Academy, your URL, and this is it having total number of iframes is two. Sorry, are two. Okay, there are two iframes in this application. So if you want to check what are the ID and name for the each and every iframes, you can do like write a Python code here. So like a for loop for f in frames, not frames, it's a frame. Okay, and yeah, what you want to do? I just print. Uh, what you want to print on? Yes, frame ID. If the frame ID is there, then you can use the frame ID or the frame name. So here, yeah. Now, what is you have to write? F dot get attribute by ID. You want to find out with the ID. Okay. If ID is there, then it print the ID. If otherwise, if ID not there, if name is there, then it will. I write here next one. Yeah. Instead of ID, you can write your name also. Okay. So name. Okay. Now see here. What is the result for this? Yeah. Now your application is going to open and see what it's going to print. What the response from your web application. See here. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. This our web page is open and it's going to collect the ID and name for the iframe. Yes. Yes. See here, what is the result exactly? It collect information like total number of iframes are two, frame ID for the iframes. for the first iframe it's this one, and the second for this. So in this way you can find out how many numbers of iframes are present in on your application, and you can print the name and id for the particular frame also. This is a way to find out the number of frames on your application. Okay, now we move the first application. This is our first application, internet hero app. Here, yeah, yeah, this is our application. Okay, yeah. So now for the task here, we have to auto adjust. This is our page. It's the iframe here, and my task is to go to this frame. This is frame. I show you this is a frame here. Just right click here, inspect. Yes. See here, this is your, yeah, this is your iframe. This is your iframe. If you want to go here, you can by or not just by this is not possible to go here without switch to the frame, because this is inside the frame. This content is inside the frame. Before switch to the frame, if you want to go here, let's see what happened here. This is the frame and this is the content, the id for the, yeah. So I how to automate this content. So just copy this id, and I would like to open this. Yes, copy this and see here what happens if I directly go to that element. Okay, so here, yeah, right here, driver dot find element by id. Okay, so locator is here, id. I just write here id. See here, if you want to go to this and just want to, what you have to task here, just clear out this. Okay, so what will happen here, see, okay, what is the issue exactly? Okay, fine. Yes. Okay, so yeah, this error is there. What is the error exactly? Unable to locate element, because as this element see here, this element is inside the frame, so you can't automate that element without go switch to this frame. So before automation, with automating this web element, you have to go inside this frame, and then you can clear this text and you can enter the new text here. So that's why to handle the situation, you can use the code like it's a simple code. What you have to do, you have to write here driver dot switch, okay, switch to dot what frame, and here you have to give the id or name if available there. See here, this is your here, this is your iframe here, and what is the id for this? This is your id. Just copy this id and paste over it. Okay, so this control V. Okay, now this will switch to frame first, and then it's going to clear whatever the text are there. So I will give some time to see. Time dot sleep. Okay, just for 3 seconds. And now see, yeah. So opening the view browser with application. Yes. Okay. See here. What is the result here? Yeah. See here, your text is cleared now. Okay. And if you want to enter something else here, just go see to the same web element. Same web element is right. Control V. And instead of clear, you can send the text here by using send keys. Okay. This I will write here the Selenium tutorial. Okay. Just I have want to write this text here. So see what is the result. See, please check out the result here. It's first going to clear the text and then enter the new text, whatever you can say in here. See, yeah, yeah. See here, the new text is entered here. Okay. I hope you can understand till now. Yes. Yes. Anyone? Please reply. Yes. Please write in chat box if. Yes. Anyone? It's clear to all till now. Till now, we just see how we can find out number of frames in your web page, and by using loop, we can that it find out the ID and the name for the particular frame. Then the next task is like to switch to frame. For that you have to use the switch to frame. If there are ID are there, then you can copy and paste the ID or the name for the frame. Okay. Sometimes to for a frame there are the frame number you can use, and if web elements also there, so you can automate the iframe different way. Okay, if ID are there, you can use go with the ID. So if now then our task is like till now our task is what, go here this frame, clear this text and then enter the new text here. Okay, but now if you want to go from this and just click on the edit button, what will happen? Let's see. I will just inspect this element. Inspect. Okay. See here, this is the yeah. There is an different locators here, tag here, class here. So you can go with the class or go with the tag. But if you see here, their class name same for the other also. There this is a file. Yeah, just check it out. Yeah, inspect. Yeah. So this is for the file. The class is same, and this is for the edit button. The same. So you can't use the class name. Okay. For that you can use either like XPath. You can create XPath, or you can go simply by right click on this and just copy the XPath. Okay, so Control F here, you can just check it out. Yeah, this is the XPath for the this element, or you can write your XPath by own. Okay, I will show you. Here if you want to write XPath here, first what is this, yeah, it's a tag name is there. What is tag name here? Is a span tag name. Okay, it's there. Then you have to check with the what here, text. Okay, but I have to write to the, okay, your file, edit is this one. So for span, then here span are two times. Maybe there are number of times of span are there. So by using only tag name you can't find. So with respect to this, we can use the here the class. See here, only tag is there. See, class only tag is there, only class is there, and this is the text is there. But span is, yes, this, here is also span. Here is also class. So you can't find with the span tag name and the class. You can use other way like span. Then can like text. Here text. So you can use text. Okay. Then equals to, what is the text here? Edit. Edit. So yeah, this is your the XPath for this element. You just copy this XPath, okay, and just paste it here. Yeah, from this you want to switch to the edit button. So driver dot find element by dot, sorry, by dot XPath, and this here just I will copy the XPath. Okay, and after that you have to click on this button. So just I will write here click. But see what is the result for this code. Yeah, Okay, our application is open now. It's clear and right. Okay, somewhat. See here, the error logs here. What is the error is there? It's unable to locate element. Because what happened here? See, okay. See here, first the it find this element, clear this, and write the text here, and then it goes to this, but it can't. It unable to find this button. Why? Because it is in frame exactly. This is your cursor is in frame. Now, if you want to go to this, before that you have to come out from this frame. So to come out from this frame, you have to use this code. Driver, sorry, driver dot switch to dot frame and what to dot this one default content. Default content means you are starting from whether your cursor is there, this it goes to back to this. Means what happened here? First it is inside the frame, so it come out from this frame and then it goes to the edit button and then it click on this. Okay, now see your result here. So I will just expand this time so that you can able to see more clearly. Yes. See here, first is clear this content, write this, and then go to the edit button. You can able to see here. Yes. Yeah. So in this way, if you want to move to this inside the frame, you can use switch to frame and right here you have to mention the ID or the name for the frame. Then after doing operation in that frame, you have to move back. That time you have to use driver dot switch to default content. This is your iframe automation. Okay, and yeah. Yes, Shrikant, yes. You are correct. We have to come out from frame. Yes. Yes, I hope it's clear to all. Yeah. So any query regarding this topic, you can yeah, post in chat box. So yeah, this is your iframe. So just I take out throughout the session, like I just start with the Selenium. Selenium, the brief idea about the Selenium, why we use Selenium, why the Selenium is most popular tool in market. Okay, so and then we go to the different types of locators. In upcoming session we just go with the detailing about the locators and the implicit and explicit weight. These are most frequently asked question from the Selenium. So, but today's agenda is for the iframe. So we cover this topic. I think all of you, yeah, yes, yes. Okay. Yes, any query regarding this topic, you can yes post in chat box. Okay. So in this way, we just initialize. Yes, it's initialize all the classes from the WebDriver module, and then this is your web application under test. Okay, and in this way, you can deal with this frame, different frames, iframes. So I hope it's clear to all. And okay, Shrikant. Okay, yes, I will. Once again, I will going to tell you about how we can, yeah. See here. Yes. Okay. So, if you want to automate this format button, okay. So for that, right click on this, inspect on this. For this, see here, this class and the span you can't use for the XPath, because what is you can use the tag name, you can use the class for the locator, but here we can't use this tag name and the class, because it's a most of the buttons is same, the tag name and the class is there. So okay, so instead of that we can use the here text. So for XPath we can write here first slash slash, then tag name. Okay, tag name. And what will the next is, if you can use the here text. This is one of the type we can find out the different locators using XPath. This is the one of the way to write the XPath here, because XPath, absolute XPath and the relative XPath. Absolute means you have to go from the HTML head, body, and this one by when the, and relative means what you can directly jump to the web elements. For that, yes, you have to write the slash slash tag name, and you can write the add the rate, and then you have to write the attributes and value. This is one of the type. But XPath in more details you can go with, like XPath with the and or start with, okay, and contains, if because these elements most of the times you can to use the simple way to find out the XPath. So these are some multiple way you can find out the web element. So this is one of the way, like you can use span and text. Okay, so for that you have to write the span, then in square bracket you have to write the whatever the text here. So if you want to automate this format, this inspect, this is okay. Here the text is like only the format. So I will write here the text, okay, curly braces and sorry, round bracket, and then equal to, and then you have to write here in what the text here format. Yes, I will exactly copy this for text. Yes, and just paste over here. Control V. And just close this. Okay, you can just see here your the particular XPath, for the particular XPath, this web element is get highlighted. Okay. Yes, Shrikant. Okay, so so today's topic is comes to end now. I hope all of you are clear with the iframe, because what happens in most of the time this iframe is the most important topic with respect to the interview point of view. So that's why I have to just let's cover this topic in this session, and in coming session definitely go with the data driven testing and other important topics. Yes, okay, Shrikant. Okay. So yeah, and or contains and starts with. So definitely going to cover all these topics. Yeah, thank you. And I hope yeah, whatever I teach you may you got that one. Okay, thank you for this. Yeah, you are the great listener. Yeah.